Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of VGO Tech. Here we have today is what is called the Wuben X3, which is a portable flashlight slash, I guess you could say lamp. Even though it says clearly here, this is not a flashlight, this is a Wuben ECL. And ECL actually stands for Easy Carry Light Innovator. As you can see here, the box is very nice. It says Wuben right here. And on the back, it also gives you some information about the different, brightness. As you can see here, you have turbo, high, medium, low, strobe, SOS. Turbo can do 700 to 200 lumens for 30 seconds to 1.5 hours. High is 150 lumens, which is runs for 2 hours. Medium is 50 lumens, which runs for 6 hours, and low is 1 lumen, which runs for 50 hours. It also gives you IP65 rated for waters. It weighs 70 grams. It can shine up to 102 meters and 2590 candelas. There's also two different versions of this. There's a standard version and the advanced version. So what I got was the advanced version. So let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see here, it opens up like this, which is really cool actually, because this is a magnetic box. And so it opens up wide like this, which is really cool. I like the box itself. As you can see here, you have the instructions. Pretty lengthy instructions. It tells you about the different versions, the red and the white light, how to operate the red and the white light, the turbo and the SOS and the strobe. Also the hand rope, and we can get all into that once I pull out the Wuben X3. Okay, next up, let's pull this out. And since this is the advanced version, as you can see here, this is what houses the Wuben. Here we have in the front the USB-C to charge it, and then we also have a button to power it on to charge it. As you can see here, this is a 3000 milliamp portable battery to charge the Wuben, and you turn it on simply by pushing this button right here, and then you can cut it off by holding the button down. This also has a hole right here in the back to put your string on. And so there you have it. Next up is the actual flashlight itself, or ECL. It has a clip right here to clip onto your shirt or belt. And it also has the two prongs right here, which goes in here to charge the Wuben. As you can see here, it's pretty light, pretty compact. You also notice here, it also says 180. So this thing can actually spin 180 degrees, and you can hold it like a normal flashlight. So you can hold it as a flashlight like this, or you can hold it like this. So it spins 180. And it tells you which way. It actually has arrows which way you can spin it back and forth, so you don't try to break it, because see this arrows here, you can't spin it back that way. It doesn't do a 360, it just does 180. So here we have an indicator, and this indicator is to indicate the different levels. As you can see here, I hit the button to turn on level 1 lumen, which is the white light. And then if I hit it again, it cuts it off. So I turn it on, and then when I hold it down, you can see here is now level 2, 50 lumens, pretty bright. And then I hold it down again, it goes to level 3, which is 150 lumens, super bright. And then you hold it again back to level 1, and then you push it again, and it turns off. As you can see here, the white light's on this side and the red light is on that side. So if you, let's see, hold it down, as you can see here, level 1, which is the red light. hold it down, and then you have the level 2, which is the 80 lumen red light, and that's the highest it'll go for the red light though. So you hit it again and it comes back to 1. So now, as you can see here, we can use this as a regular flashlight like you would normally hold, and it's level 2 at 50 lumens. Cut it off, on, same thing, same exact process. When you flip it like this, the default, as you can see here, is level 2, and then you can go back to level 1. And then the same thing, you can also do a red. You hold it down, red, hold it down again to change it to 80 brightness, hold it down again to change it back to low, and you cut it off. Here we have, now next, you can see here, we push it in, and we hold this down to, it'll actually automatically turn on to start charging. And as you can see here, when you flip this, the red lightning shows it's charging, and it's at 80% right now. So as you can see here, it's charging, but you can also use this as a lamp. See? Also use it as a lamp. And you can also use it as a red lamp. Oop. White, red, bright red. And then you cut it off. Or you can just hold it in the housing. And then as you can see here, it'll charge also while you're using it. If you decide to hold it in the housing. And then same thing, same concept. You hold it down to red, hold it down to red, cut it off. One click to white, hold it down, low, bright, low, off. And then you can also turn this too, I believe. You can turn this and put it in here. And you can house it like this and use it too. The only thing is you can't change it. So as you can see here, you can hold it while it's charging, but you just can't change it. You have to open it up and then change it. And there you have it. This is the Wuben X3 ECL. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you can, hit that subscribe button as I will be putting out more videos. Now, hope you have a great day now. Thanks for watching. Bye.